Unlocking memories. The power of I'll never forget. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a very special phrase that holds power and emotion. I'll never forget. This phrase opens the door to stories, lessons, and unforgettable memories. So, let's explore how it's used and what it really means to say, I'll never forget. I'll never forget is a phrase that promises remembrance. It's used when something is so impactful, emotional, or significant that it leaves a lasting imprint on our memory. This could be a happy moment, a life lesson, or even a challenging experience. The key point here is the enduring impact of the event, making it unforgettable. When you use I'll never forget, you're often about to share a personal story or memory. Here are a few examples. I'll never forget the day I met my best friend. This shows a significant, positive moment in your life. I'll never forget the lesson my grandfather taught me. Here, it highlights a valuable lesson that has stayed with you. I'll never forget how hard it rained on our wedding day. This could imply a challenging, yet memorable, experience. The phrase can introduce both positive and negative memories, but it always marks them as important. Using I'll never forget adds emotional weight to your stories. It signals to the listener that what you're about to share is deeply meaningful to you. It's not just about the memory itself, but about how that memory has shaped you. When you share something unforgettable, you're inviting others into a part of your life that holds a significant emotional charge. To get comfortable using I'll never forget, try reflecting on your own memorable experiences. Practice framing these memories with the phrase, either in writing or in conversation. This will not only improve your English skills but also help you connect with others on a deeper level. And that wraps up our exploration of I'll never forget. We hope this video helps you appreciate the depth and emotion behind this powerful phrase. Remember, learning a language is not just about words and grammar. It's also about expressing and sharing our human experiences. I'll never forget is a beautiful tool for doing just that. Thank you for joining us. And don't forget to keep practicing and sharing your unforgettable moments with the world.